Hey guys, welcome to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. Today I'm going to be making a ginger juice. This is great for cold weather. Ginger has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to reduce inflammation. It helps with arthritis, a whole bunch of stuff. It's a good antioxidant which helps to manage the free radicals that can damage cells. In this cold weather, if you have a cough or a cold or a tickle in the throat, ginger juice is perfect. Okay, let me show you a quick way of cleaning the ginger. You have a spoon over here. I just use the edge of the spoon and I go down like this and I remove the skin, and the skin comes up so easily. So I'm going to go ahead and do this with my ginger pieces over here. Please comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Okay, this is my ginger kind of blend. I'm just going to run this through the water to remove any skins which are there on the surface. Okay, let me go ahead and start this and get the ginger juice flowing. You can cut this into smaller pieces too, and it'll be easier as well. Okay, I cut these into smaller pieces, starting this. Okay, this is my ginger juice over here. I'm going to go ahead and put these into these little glass bottles that I have here. Of course, if you have any glass bottles, make sure you sterilize it first. Make sure you wash it properly, and then you can store this. This will be easy to store in the fridge. Also, if you don't have one of these juicers, you can always use a blender and then strain it with a cheesecloth. Strain the juices with the cheesecloth, and this should help as well. And you can also mix this with honey, because honey is also anti-inflammatory, turmeric powder, or the fresh turmeric. You have so many different recipes, and I'll go ahead and I can put these in my channel if you need. Thank you for watching, guys. Please be sure to give this a like and subscribe to my channel for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. Please also put in the comments what you would like to see. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.